35 years looking after your crops. Thousands of customers helped. More than 600 items in our catalog. ECONEX is innovation and passion. A company that is committed to health, the community and the environment. We work to maintain the quality of agricultural products and forest balance. We are dedicated to the pest biocontrol solutions through the production of a wide range of pheromones, attractants, repellents and traps. Elements that work together to control the pests that put agricultural crops, forests and stored products at risk. We produce and provide technical advice to our customers in all matters related to dosage amounts, pests, strategies and plans of action. We are an independent Spanish company with representation in more than 40 countries and backed by 35 years experience. We hold advanced technology that is supported by a large team of experts, generating confidence and security, continuing always with rigorous and effective management. Our products are characterized by a high investment in R&D&I, by manufacturing them with standards of the highest quality and the most advanced design. We have numerous certificates that attest to our work. We are a company that supports progress and knowledge. We create a wide range of specialized resources available to everyone. We work together in close collaboration with scientific, academic and governmental organizations from all over the world. We want to accompany our clients to wherever they need to continue contributing to the care of society and the environment as we have been doing for more than 35 years.